Baby shine so bright, you might go blind.
Shenna Talks. Like and subscribe.
Enrique Hill is not stopping strange frequencies. He and his team at Immerse are already pitching 2 new projects to streaming giant Netflix. He wants to explore genres that excite him, such as horror, action, and comedy. Sabi niya, gusto niyang mag-focus sa mga bagay na hindi niya nagawa before, mga bagay na nakakapag-excite sa kanya ngayon na it's not too mainstream. Kasama ang strange frequencies, Enrique hopes to open viewers' minds to the supernatural. Just to be open. I believe this thing exists. We're all energies here. Even God's also spirit as well. I want people to be aware and be respectful about it. And they're gonna learn a lot by watching out movie. Ibinahagi din niya na sobrang kakaiba daw ang ginagawa nila na movie sa ngayon. It's the most notorious and most haunted place in Taiwan daw yung hospital na pinag-shootingan nila. Dagdag pa nito, ibinahagi din ni Enrique Hill sa media na kinakarer niya ngayon ang pagiging producer. Umani naman ng papuri galing sa mga taong nakasubaybay sa binata. Talagang ang galing din ng isang Enrique Hill. Good luck to our king.
Thank you for watching.